What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making some chicken wings. Check it out, guys. Here we go. Alright, so I got my chicken wings right here. I'm just gonna get these out of the pack and dry them up. Dry them off a little bit. If you feel like you need to wash your chicken, go ahead and wash your chicken, but I never do, so if you think it's gross, I don't know what to tell you. Alright, so all I'm using on these chicken wings is super simple. Some clucker dust by Suckle Busters. Just gonna do a coating on the chicken. So basically all I'm gonna do with these chicken wings is season them up, get them on some smoke. It's gonna be like 265 degrees. I got it heating up right now. Then I'm gonna let these go for a little while until they get a good amount of smoke on them. Then after that, I'm gonna get some charcoal going on a direct heat. I'm gonna char these up, and we're gonna make a creamy honey mustard sauce. Simple as that. Also, as far as trimming these up, you know, if you want to take off the wingtips, you could take these off, but I'm leaving them on. It's not a big deal. Sometimes I take them off, or sometimes I split the flat from the drum, but I'm just leaving them together. It's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna get them on some smoke, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so we're running at like 265. I'm gonna get the wings on it right now. Alright, so I'm going to give these 1 hour and check back and see how they look. Alright guys, so these have been on for just over 1 hour, probably like hour and 15 minutes. And I temped these and they're about already at 160. So they're looking pretty good. I'm just waiting for this charcoal chimney to heat up. And I'm going to get that charcoal fire going and we're going to go direct heat. And all I'm about to do is just char these up, get some color on there, and that should be it. And I'll just take them inside and toss them with this sauce I'm going to make. And it's going to be good. So there it is, guys. Alright, this is only going to take a few minutes. Got this hot ass fire going. I know it's kind of a waste. I used a lot of charcoal, but who cares? Not a big deal. Making a YouTube video, I want a hot ass fire. So here we go. Alright guys, I don't know what temperature these are, but it doesn't even matter. You know they're done. Looking good. Take them inside and make the sauce. Toss them up. That's going to be it. And you know, some of them get a little bit overcharred, but it's alright. A couple of them got like that. It's fine though. All right, guys, super easy, creamy mustard, creamy honey mustard sauce is what this is. So all you're gonna need is some whole grain mustard right here, as you can see. Skip the yellow stuff on this one just because it's a little too vinegary, I guess. It's just too plain. You wanna use something quality or use something decent, so I'm using this right here. And then sour cream is gonna add that creaminess and a little bit of tanginess to it. And some honey right there. So equal parts of all three. If you wanted, you could just put honey and mustard, it'll still be good like that. Or even the way these wings are done, you could eat them with no sauce and it'll still be awesome, but I'm making this sauce. So I got about 3 large tablespoons of this sour cream, about the same amount of honey, and about the same amount of that mustard. A little bit of black pepper. 1 hefty pinch of salt. Just gonna mix it up. Just give it a taste. Tastes good. Got all these bad boys in the sauce right there. I'm gonna save like 2 without sauce. Alright guys, so there it is. I got 2 that I didn't put sauce on, like I said. I'm gonna try one without. Tastes good. That rub's good. Not too sweet. Nice crispiness. Now try one with the sauce. The sauce got good flavor, sweetness, little tanginess. Anybody can make that. You got a good combination of smoke that you got from, it was on the smoker for 1 hour at like 265, like I said. Then when the internal temperature was around 160, I charred it up pretty good, got some good color on it. Crisped up the skin a little bit. And make sure if you're gonna retry this, and you've never charred skin on a grill like that before, make sure you keep flipping it every like 5 seconds because it's gonna burn up really quick. Especially when you put a rub on that has a lot of sugar like that, or a decent amount of sugar. It's gonna tend to burn up pretty quick, so you gotta watch it. You can't take your eyes off it. But other than that, guys, it's getting hot as hell outside. It's like 107 degrees today. And it's nighttime now. It's probably still like 95, 100 degrees out. But it's grilling season, smoking barbecue, all that. So get out there, cook something, and I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Peace out.